Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So, we're going to start with grade 6 maths. So, you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab, scroll down to grade 6, and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter number 3, and the lessons we're going to cover today are prime or composite, identify factors, prime factorization, and greatest common factor. So let's just start with the first lesson, that is prime and composite. Here I'm on grade 6 maths. The chapter is number 3 and the lesson I'm going to start with is prime or composite. So let's just start with the lesson. Okay, which of the following numbers are prime? So you're given a list of the numbers, you need to see which of them are prime. So what are the prime numbers? Prime numbers are the number that has only two factors, 1 and the number itself. If a number has more than two factors, then the number is the composite number. Got it? So the numbers in the list are 12, 18, 17, and 20. So the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Since 12 has more factors than just 1 in itself, so 12 is not a prime. Got it? 12 is a composite number. Okay, the factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. 6, since 18 has more factors than 1 in itself, 18 is not prime. Got it? So the factors of 17 are 17 and 1. So the only factors are 17 and 1. So 17 is a prime. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. Basic thing is you need to understand what is the prime and composite numbers. So prime numbers are the numbers that has only two factors, 1 and the number itself. And the composite numbers are the numbers that has more than two factors. Got it? Okay, let's just start with this, the first one. Which number is a prime? So you are given numbers 16, 3, 12, and 18. Let's see which of them is a prime. 16, 3, 12, and 18. Okay, just look at the 16. 1 times 16 is 16. 2 times 8 is 16 and 4 times 4 is 16. So 2 has more than two factors. 2 isn't a prime number. Got it? 3 times 1 is 3. 3 has only two factors. 3 is a prime number. Got it? Just look at the 12. 1 times 12 is 12. 2 times 6 is 12. 3 times 4 is 12. So these are the factors of 12. 12 has more than two factors. 12 isn't a prime number. Now same is the case for 18. 1 times 18. 2 times 9 is 18. 3 times 6 is 18. So 18 has more than two factors. 18 isn't a prime number. So here only prime number is 3. Got it? If you already know the answers, you can just write down the answer in the chat box. So 3 is the prime number. Select all the numbers that are prime, 8, 1, 7, and 5. So which numbers are prime? 8 is a prime number. No, it has more than two factors. 2 times 4 is 8. Got it? So 8 is not a prime number. Just look at the one. 1 is neither prime nor composite. Got it? Okay, the next one is 7. Is 7 a prime number? Yes, only two. 7 times 1 is 7. 7 has only two factors, so 7 is a prime number. Also, 5 has only two factors, so 7 and 5 both are the prime numbers. So the correct option is 7 and 5. They both are the prime numbers. Got it? Okay, which number is prime? 17, 15, 16, 18. If you guys know the answer, just write the answer in the chat box. So which number is prime? Be quick. 17 is a prime number. Got it? Because 15, 16 and 18 has more than two factors, so they are the composite number. Got it? Select all the numbers that are prime. 10, 13, 7 and 2. Which numbers are the prime numbers? 13, 7 and 2. Got it? They are all the prime numbers. 13, 7 and 2. Got it? Which number is a prime number? 8, 6, 5 and 18. Which is the prime number? 5 is the prime number. Got it? The rest of the numbers 8, 6 and 18 are the composite number. Just 5 is a prime number. Got it? Select all the numbers that are prime. 2, 19, 17 and 3. Which numbers are the prime numbers? All of them are prime. 2, 19, 17 and 13. Got it? All of the numbers are the prime numbers. Very good. Which is prime? 15, 3, 4 and 1. So the prime number is 3 is the prime number. Got it? Yes, very good. Okay, which number is prime? 20, 16, 2 and 8. Two is a prime number. Got it? Okay, the next one is which number is prime? 5, 4, 20 and 10. Which is prime? 5 is a prime number. Very good. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Which is a prime number? 6, 12, 1 and 11. So which is the correct option? Very good. 11 is a prime number. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. The next lesson is identify factors. So let's just start with the next lesson. Okay, the next lesson is identify factors. Which numbers are factors of 17? Seven factors means when you divide the number by the given number, the answer must be 0. Got it? Like you have to select which numbers divide 17. 6, 17, 34, and 1. Here you did. You divided 17 by 6. You have 2 and remainder 5. You when the case you have the remainder 0. Got it? So that means 6 is not the factor of 17. Then you divided 17 by 17. The answer is 1 and you have 0 remainder. That means yes, 17 can be divided by 17 evenly. Got it? Then you have 17 divided by 34. So you cannot divide 17 by 34 because 17 is smaller and 34 is greater. The next one is 17 divided by 1. 17 divided by 1 is 17 and you have the remainder 0. Again, 1 divides evenly. That means the factors of 17 are 17 and 1. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Okay, which numbers are factors of 11? You are given the numbers, you can just multiply them and see which number makes 11. That is an easier way. 11 and 1. 11 times 1 is 11. That means these are the two numbers that can make 11 and they are the factors of 11. Got it? And the other way is you can divide and check. Got it? 11 divided by 1 is 1 times 11 is 11. So 1 is the factor of 11. Then 11 times 1 is 11. You have a remainder 0. That means 11 is a factor of 11. Okay, I haven't clicked on the OK button. Sorry. Okay, the next one is which numbers is a factor of 10? So which numbers is the factors of 10? 8, 24, and 2. Okay, let's see. 8, 4, 20, and let's just divide 8 by 10. 8 times 1 is 8. You have the remainder 2. This isn't the correct option. You have a remainder. Whenever until you have a remainder, this is not the correct option. Okay, 4 times 2 is 8. Sorry, 10 it is. 4 times 2 is 8. You are left with 2. Again, 4 is not the factor. You cannot divide 4 10 by 20 by 10. You cannot divide a smaller number by the greater one. So when you divide 10 by 2, 2 times 5 is 10. It divides evenly and you have the remainder 0. So the correct option is 2. Very good, everyone. So it is 2. Okay, the next one is which besides 16 and 1, what is that one factor of 16? 8 without a 16 and 1. Other than 16 and 1, what are the factors of 16? 4, 8, 2, 1, 8, 16, which is the correct option. Yes, the factor are 4 and 8. Got it? Because 16 is evenly divided by both 4 and 8. Got it? Okay, beside 20 and 1, what is one factor of 20? Which is the factor of 20? 10 and 4. Okay, which numbers are the factors of 17? 6, 17, 17, 34, 17, and 1, which is the correct option. Yes, the very good. That would be 17 and 1. Got it? 17 times 1 makes 17. They both are the factors of 17. Got it? Okay, what number is a factor of 9? The factor of 9 is 3. Very good. 3 times 3 is 9. So 3 is the factor of 9. Which numbers are factors of 14? Select all that apply. 14, 5, 3, and 7. Which numbers are the factors of 14? The options are, yes, very good. The correct option is 7 and 14. They both are the factors of 14. Got it? Okay, the next one is besides 15 and 1. Which one is a factor of 15? So, which is the correct option? It would be 5 and 3. Got it? Very good. No, no, 5 and 3 it is. Which number is a factor of 6? 2, 9, 4, 8. Yes, the factors of 6 are 2. Okay, which number is a factor of 8? 4, 7, 6, 3, 4. Which is the correct option? Yes, it is 4. Got it? Okay, the next one is which numbers are factors of 19? 1, 9, 19, and 17 and 9. Yes, only 1 is a factor of 19. Got it? Okay, the next one is which numbers are factors of 7? 2, 3, 1, and 9. So, which numbers are the factors of 7? Yes, very good. 1 is the only factor of 7 here. Got it? Okay, the next one is which numbers are the factors of 2? 2, 4, 4, 6, 2, 1. Yes, the factors of 2 are 2 and 1. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. Okay, the next lesson is prime factorization. So let's just start with the next lesson. So prime factorization means all the numbers must be prime, all the factors must be prime. Got it? So let's just start with the first example. What is the prime factorization of 4? So how we do prime factorization of 4? What we have to do? We have to divide the given number by the smallest even number again and again until we get the answer 1. Like you have 4. Smallest prime number again and again. Sorry, not even. Okay, 4. You have to divide 4 by smallest even number. 4 can be divided by the smallest even number 2. Got it? So 4 divided by 2 is 2. Then again, you have to divide this number by the smallest prime number. It can be divided by 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. So we have started from 4 until 1. You divided 2 by 2 times. So the prime factorization is 2 times 2. Got it? So that means the prime factors of 4 are 2 times 2. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the test questions so that we can do the practice questions. Okay, what is the prime factorization of 9? So start dividing 9 by the smallest prime number that can divided by that divides 9, so that would be 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Now again divide until you get the answer 1. 3 divided by 3 is 1, so you divided it twice by the 3, it would be 3 times 3. Very good. So the correct option is 3 times 3. The correct option is option number 4th. Okay, the next one is what is the prime factorization of 15? Okay, divide the 15 by the smallest prime number, that would be 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5. Now divide 5 by the smallest prime number, that would be 5, and 5 divided by 1 is 5. So that means this prime factorization of 15 is 3 times 5. Got it? So it is 3 times 5. Option number last is the correct one. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, what is the prime factorization of 20? Okay, so you can divide 20 by 10, 20 by 2. Got it? 20 is the smallest prime number. So 20 divided by 2 is 10. Now again you can divide 10 by 2. So 2 times 5 is 10. You have to divide 5 divided by 5, and that is 1. So the numbers that you divided them by are 2 times 5, and that is the prime factorization of 20. Yes, it is 2 times 5. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, what is the prime factorization of 4? Very good. 2 times 2 is the prime factorization of 4. Very good. But the very important point you have to keep in your mind is both the factors must be prime. Got it? So, okay, what is the prime factorization of 6? What is the prime factorization of 6? Yes, very good. That is 2 times 6. 2 times 3 is 6. Sorry, 2 and 3 both are the prime numbers. Okay, what is the prime factorization of 18? Prime factorization of 18 would be the last one. 3 times 3 is 9 and 9 times 2 is 18. Got it? That is the prime factorization of 18. Got it? Okay, the next one is what is the prime factorization of 16? So which is the correct option? Prime factorization of 16 is very good. That would be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Got it? 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, and 8 times 2 is 16. Okay, the next one is what is the prime factorization of 8? So which is the correct option? The prime factors of 8 is very good. 2 times 2 times 2. Okay, the next one is what is the prime factorization of 10? The prime factorization of 10 is 2 times 5. Got it? Very good. Okay, what is the prime factorization of 12? 2 times 2 is 4 and 4 times 2 is 12. That would be 2 times 2 times 3. 3 times 4. 4 is not a prime number. All the numbers must be prime. Keep this very important point in your mind. Okay, what is the prime factorization for 5? Prime factorization of 5 is? Yes, it is 5. Just 5 is the correct option. Got it? That is the only prime factor for 5 here. What is the prime factorization for 2? Yes, it is 2. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. And the next lesson is greatest common factor GCF. Let's just start with the next lesson, that is greatest common factor. What is the greatest common factor of the two numbers 8 and 12. Got it? So you have to make the factors for both the numbers. List of the factors. The factors of 8 are, factors means the numbers that when multiplied makes 8. Got it? They are 8, 4, 2 and 1. Then you have to make the factors of 12. 6, 12, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. You have to look for the number that is the greatest common number. Like here you have 4. You have 4. Also you can see you have 2 and 1, but the greatest one is 4. So the greatest common factor for 8 and 12 is 4. Got it? Okay. Let's just start with the test questions. What is the greatest common factor for 19 and 5? 19 and 5 both are the prime numbers. Got it? That means they have just one factor common, that is 1. The prime factor numbers have only one common factor. Got it? The greatest common factor of 9 and 3. Okay, let's just write down the factors. Factors of 3. 3 times 1 is 3. Factors of 9. 3 times 3 is 9 and 9 times 1 is 9. So what is the greatest common factor? The greatest common number, that is 3. That means the GCF of 3 and 9 is 3. Got it? Okay, that means it is 3. One easier way to find GCF when you are given with the options is, you can, like here you have to look for the greatest common factor for 18 and 14. Look for a number that divides both the number. Got it? So the greatest common factor is, can you divide 18 and 14? Both the numbers are divisible by 2. Got it? But both the numbers are not divisible by 3. That means the greatest common factor is 2, because 2 is the number that can divide both 18 and 14. Got it? That is an easier way to look for the GCF. Look for the number that can divide both the numbers. Got it? What is the GCF of 18 and 9? You are given three numbers, 7, 8 and 9. See which number divides 18 and 9 both. So which is the correct option? Yes, it is 9. Got it? 9 is the number that can divide both 9 and 18. So 9 is the factor of 18. Got it? GCF of 18 and 9. Okay, what is the greatest common number of 14 and 12? So what is GCF of 12 and 14? 1, 2, 3. Which is the correct option? Yes, it is 2. Got it? 2 is the number that can divide both 12 and 14. What is the greatest common factor of 8 and 16? Yes, that is 88. 8 is a number that can divide both 8 and 16. So 8 is the GCF of 8 and 16. Got it? What is the GCF of 15 and 4? Which is the correct option? Yes, it is 1. Okay, what is the GCF of 14 and 7? Yes, that is 7. Got it. So the GCF of 14 and 7 is 7. What is the GCF of 9 and 6? So which is the correct option? Yes, it is 3. Got it. 3 is the GCF that can divide both 9 and 6. Okay, what is the greatest common factor of 18 and 12? Which is the correct option? 6, 7, 8. Very good. That is 6. 6 is the number that can divide both 18 and 12. Got it. Okay, what is the GCF of 12 and 6? Very good. Again, this is 6. Okay, what is the GCF of 7 and 6? That would be very good. 1. You don't have any common number, so it would be 1. Got it? Okay, the next one is what is the GCF of 5 and 10? It would be, yes, very good. It would be 5. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 7 maths, grade 6 maths. Lessons we have covered today are we're working on the chapter number 30. The lessons are prime or composite, identify factors, prime factorization, and greatest common factor. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? Please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. Got it? Thank you. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.